shame over political setback to Marxists as High Court uphold single bench order for CBI probe in Periya double murder case in Kasaragod in Kerala. It was about 19 months ago that two young boys of Periya in Kasaragod, Kerala, Sharatlal and Kripesh, were hacked to death. They were activists of the Youth Congress. The two were killed by political opponents, something similar to that of the cold-blooded murder of RMP leader TP Chandrasekharan of Onjiyam in Vadagara few years ago. In both cases, the criminals were Marxist activists who were duly supported by senior CPIM leaders who conspired the crime. But the CBI did not investigate the TP murder as the state opposed it. However, few Marxist leaders, including a veteran who died recently, were convicted in the case. The state government played the same game in Periya double murder case also. The case was first probed by the local police and later by a special investigating team SIT of the crime branch who filed a charge sheet before the Hosturg magistrate on May 20th, 2019. It implicated 14 persons, including two local CPIM leaders. According to SIT, the motive behind the crime was personal vendetta. But this was not something which the family of the victims and the Congress leaders to take without a pinch of salt. The family of the victims had since long been pointing their accusing fingers on senior leadership of the party for plotting and conspiring the crime. The Congress leadership has also been alleging foul play in the investigation and alleged that implicating of local Marxist leaders was only an eyewash and that there are senior party leaders behind the crime. No wonder the families of the victims moved the High Court to get an order for a CBI inquiry in the case, and the single bench did give its verdict for a CBI probe. But fearful of a possible exposure of the role of Marxist leaders, the government had on October 26, 2019 filed an appeal against the single bench order which permitted a CBI probe in the case. With an appeal on the single bench order, the CBI on August 19th this year had informed the High Court that it cannot go ahead with the investigation in the case since the High Court has not pronounced its verdict in the appeal by the state government challenging the single bench order. But today's order of a division bench upholding the single bench order has been a political blow to the Marxist leadership. More than a political setback, the legal gesture by the government by moving an appeal to stall a CBI investigation is believed to be a cover-up operation to protect senior Marxist leaders who are suspected to have instigated the crime. That apart, with the elections to the local bodies round the corner, the political setback for the Marxists, even as the Congress leadership making effective inroads, might reflect in the election outcome, it is believed.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.